come here for the first time, thank you so much for clicking on the video, guys. My name is Ashmita. Hope you all are doing well. And yes, today again I'm going to be reacting to a new K-pop group for me. This group is called G-I-DLE. G-I-DLE, that's how you pronounce it. Please let me know if I'm wrong and please correct me and do let me know how to pronounce this name. And I'm guessing it's called G-I-DLE. Okay, and the song that I'm going to be reacting to is Lion. This was requested a couple of times by a viewer. So yes, without delaying this any further, let's just get into it. Always so much fun to react to new K-pop groups. Okay, and there are so many, of course, I know that. Okay, let's start. Oh, I'm gonna love this, I know. So this has such nice tribal kind of feel. Whoa! Loving this! Oh, this is powerful! I'm a queen like a lion! How? 1, 2, 3, oh, 6 members? 6 members. I like her! She started the song, I really like her. I am loving the lyrics. I am loving it. So, what I like is that they have given the name of the I'm guessing these are the names only, right? I'm really liking it. So Minnie, I like Minnie. Oh man, the set that like she's sitting and there are like arrows. I just love this entire look. Vocals! Neon. Queen! Yuki. Sujin. Oh, I love these costumes, the red ones. Soyeon. Whoa, I love this. Is my favorite set. Miyeon, where Miyeon was sitting. Yes. I'm a queen like a lion. I'm a queen like a lion. This jungle sound. No one can tame me. Yes, nothing can tame me. Oh my god. Who? Yes. This is everything. Oh wow. Oh my god. Why is it over? Guys, and this only has, why does this have such less views? This should have already crossed 100 million views. It has like about 72 million views. This came last year, so it's almost like almost a year old. Almost, this came in November 3rd, 2019. I loved it. I loved it. The set, how the song started. My favorite part, how the song started with Miyeon. Like she was sitting. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. Miyeon. And she was sitting on that table with all the arrows, and she says like, no one can tame me. And then how the same way it ends. I loved it, and I love how the beat is like at times it is slowed down, and only I think the beat is very heavy in the chorus part. So I really like that. The vocals, I think Miyeon's vocals only caught my eye. When her part comes in the middle and she pulls that high note, I loved it. The lyrics are just, ladies, this is our song. This is our song. We should be singing this. And I love how empowering the lyrics are. Whew. Okay, I was really not expecting okay. I mean, I know it's called Lion, so I was expecting it to be a little maybe fierce. But this is so nice. It had such a nice feminine touch, and yet it was so fierce and so powerful. So I really like that balance. The visuals at the end when they are like standing like queens, and then all the lions come. Okay. Oh my god, I loved it. My god, thank you so much, guys. I am getting to know so many good songs because of your suggestions, and I'm really thankful and grateful. I'm really thankful. I loved it. I absolutely loved it. Miyeon, I'm not gonna forget her. She really caught my eye. Whoever catches my eye in the first time, I remember that artist very clearly. So yeah, guys, that was my reaction to Lion by (G)I-DLE. I hope it's pronounced as (G)I-DLE only. If it's not, I'm really sorry. Please correct me. And I hope you subscribe to the channel if you're a K-pop lover. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.